Hello everyone, I am Joseph. Welcome to Joseph's Easy English.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
We help you practice real, everyday English.
Please, if you like learning with us, click that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us so much.
Yes, thank you. Today is episode 3. We are talking about hobbies.
Today, we have 30 special words hidden in our conversation. Can you find them? We will use 2 mind maps to review them at the end.
This is a very long lesson. Listen carefully and practice with us. Let's go.
Hey Lucy, it is a beautiful afternoon. I see you are sitting in your garden. What are you doing?
Oh, hi Tom. Yes, I am looking at my flowers. I think I have a new hobby.
A new hobby? That is wonderful. A hobby is something we do for fun, right? Not for work.
Exactly. Work is for money, but a hobby is for the heart. It makes me feel, relaxed.
I agree. My life is very busy, so I need a hobby to stay happy. So tell me, is your new hobby gardening?
Yes, I call it gardening for beginners. I bought some seeds, some soil, and a small shovel.
Soil? That is the brown dirt where the plants grow, right?
Yes, dirt or soil. And a shovel is the tool I use for digging holes. It is very simple, but I love it.
Digging? That sounds like hard work. Is it difficult to use a shovel?
A little bit. First, I put the shovel into the soil. Then I use my foot to push it down. Then I'm digging a hole for the flowers.
What kind of flowers?
I have yellow sunflowers and red roses. They need good soil to grow big. What about you, Tom? I know you are a very active person. Do you have a favorite hobby?
Well, you know I love music. My favorite hobby is playing the guitar.
The guitar? I remember you had an old guitar in your garage. Do you play it every day?
I try to. Even if I'm tired, I try to play for 15 minutes.
Is it difficult to learn? I tried to play the piano once, but my fingers were too slow.
It is difficult at first. Your fingers hurt a little bit because the strings are made of metal.
Strings? Are those the long, thin wires on the guitar?
Yes, there are 6 strings. When I push the strings with my fingers, I can make music.
Ouch, that doesn't sound very fun.
It hurts for 1 week, but then your fingers get strong. We call that calluses.
Calluses? That is hard skin?
Yes, on your fingertips. After that, you can play the strings for hours and it feels great. I also practice my chords.
Chords. That is when you play many strings at the same time, right?
Exactly. If I know the G chord, the C chord, and the D chord, I can play hundreds of songs.
That sounds amazing. I wish I could be singing like a star. I only sing in the shower.
Everyone can enjoy singing, Lucy. It is a great hobby because it is free.
True. But when I am singing, my cat runs out of the room. I think I am out of tune.
Out of tune. That means the music sounds, wrong?
Yes, it sounds bad, but I enjoy singing anyway.
Let's talk about active hobbies. I know you like to walk. Is walking a hobby?
I think so. I call it power walking. I put on my sneakers, I listen to a podcast, and I walk for 5 kilometers.
Sneakers are very important for walking. Are they comfortable?
Yes, they are soft shoes for sports. If I don't wear sneakers, my feet hurt.
I like walking too, but I prefer hiking.
What is the difference between walking and hiking?
Walking is usually on a flat road or a sidewalk, but hiking is in the mountains or the woods.
Oh, hiking sounds more difficult. Do you need special shoes?
Yes, you need hiking boots. They protect your ankles so you don't fall.
Boots, like the heavy shoes for rain?
Yes, but hiking boots are very strong. They help you stay safe on the rocks. Sometimes, even with boots, I worry about falling.
Falling is scary. Did you ever fall down a mountain?
Only once. I was looking at a bird and I wasn't looking at my feet. I started falling into some leaves.
Oh no, were you okay?
I was fine. I just had a little bit of dirt on my face.
Speaking of sports, have you ever played pickleball?
Yes, you use a paddle. It is like a large ping pong paddle made of wood or plastic.
A paddle? I want to try that. It sounds like a lot of fun.
Let's talk about creative hobbies. Do you like to draw or paint?
I used to drawing when I was a child, but now I think I lost my creativity.
I saw a painting in your living room yesterday. Did you do that?
Yes, it's a paint by numbers kit. I use the canvas.
A canvas? Is that the white material for the picture?
Yes, the canvas is a piece of strong cloth. I put my painting on the canvas using a brush.
It is a great way to start painting. What about collecting?
Oh, I am a big collector. I am collecting postcards from every place I visit.
I am collecting vinyl records.
Vinyl records? Those big black circles for music?
Yes, I have an old record player. I like the sound of records. It is warmer than digital music. What do you do on a rainy day?
I love a jigsaw puzzle.
A puzzle with 1,000 pieces?
Yes, I spread all the pieces of the puzzle on my table. I start with the edges.
Puzzle pieces are so small. How do you find the right one?
I look at the colors. If I see a piece of the sky, I put it in the blue group. It takes a long time, but I love finishing a puzzle.
Do you like cooking as a hobby?
On Sundays, yes, I try a new recipe.
What is a recipe?
A recipe is like a map for food. It tells me what to buy and how to cook. Last week, I used a recipe for handmade pasta.
Did it taste good?
It was okay, but I need more practice.
Lucy, have you tried fixing things in your house? We call it DIY, do it yourself.
Oh, I am terrible at fixing things. I tried to fix my sink with a wrench.
A wrench? That heavy metal tool?
Yes, I used the wrench, but water went everywhere.
Let's talk about reading.
Reading is my favorite way to relax. I am reading a mystery novel right now.
A novel? Is that a long story?
Yes, a novel is a book with many chapters. I love to lose myself in a good novel.
Do you think watching TV is a hobby?
No, I think that is passive. A hobby should be active.
If I sit on the sofa all day, am I a couch potato?
Yes, a couch potato does nothing. We want to be reading or gardening instead.
One popular hobby is photography. Do you use a camera?
I use my phone, but a real camera is much better for golden hour light.
A camera has many buttons. It is complicated but very rewarding. Have you ever tried an expensive hobby?
Yes, golf. I bought a set of clubs.
Clubs? Are those the long sticks?
Yes, golf clubs are very expensive. I hit the ball with my clubs and it went into the water every time.
My strange hobby is foraging.
Foraging? Looking for food in the woods?
Yes, I go foraging for mushrooms and berries.
Be careful. Some things you find while foraging are poisonous. I also like people watching.
Is that a hobby?
Yes, I sit on a bench and imagine people's lives. It is free and very entertaining.
Learning English is also a hobby.
It is the ultimate hobby. It keeps your mind sharp.
It is a lifelong hobby because you never stop learning.
What about games? Do you like board games?
Yes, I love playing chess. It is a very quiet hobby.
I prefer games that are loud and fast.
Sometimes I help people. Is volunteering a hobby?
I think so. It is a hobby that helps the community.
It makes me feel very happy to help others.
Some people like modern hobbies, like coding or learning about AI.
That sounds like a lot of work. I prefer my guitar strings. Lucy, what do you do when you are bored?
When I am bored, I find a new hobby. Boredom is the start of creativity.
Did you understand the long conversation between Tom and Lucy?
We talked about so many hobbies, from gardening to foraging.
Now let's look at our mind maps to remember our 30 special words. This is how we lock them in your brain. Look at map 01. We learned that Lucy loves gardening in her soil with a small shovel.
And Tom's favorite is the guitar. He plays the strings and learns his chords.
We also saw hiking in the mountains with boots and the fast game of pickleball played with a paddle.
Don't forget Lucy's brush for her painting kit, her postcards and vinyl records, plus her jigsaw puzzles and Sunday recipe.
Now for map 02. A hobby is for the heart and makes you feel relaxed.
But some hobbies give you calluses, and others, like pickleball, are very addictive.
Painting is therapeutic, and finishing a puzzle is very rewarding.
We store memories and albums and love the ritual of music.
We learned that a chore is boring work, and we use a wrench to fix a faucet in DIY.
Lastly, we must be productive and always curious when foraging for mushrooms.
You have learned so much today. To help you remember these 30 words forever, we have a final surprise.
It's a song. Sing along and feel the rhythm of your new English words.
Let's listen to My Heart's Hobby.
I'm gardening today,
I'm digging in the ground,
playing my guitar.
such a lovely sound. Singing with my friends, walking in the sun, hiking up the mountain, having so much fun. Oops, I'm falling down, but I'm okay. Drawing and painting on a sunny day, collecting all my things, cleaning up the floor, cooking in the kitchen, then I do some more, fixing what is broken, reading every page, foraging for berries at every age.
Learn the words, sing them loud. Hobbies are what life's about. Verbs and nouns, 1, 2, 3. Learning English, you and me. Put the soil in the pot, use a shovel too. Touch the strings and chords, play a song for you. Put on your sneakers, put on your boots, pick up the paddle, let's find our roots. Look at the canvas, look at the record spin. Doing a puzzle, that's how we win. Follow the recipe, use the wrench to fix. Read a long novel, get in the mix. Smile for the camera, pick up the clubs. Welcome to the English Hobby Club. Gardening, fixings, and boots. Joseph's easy English. Gardening, fixings, and boots. Joseph's easy English.
What is your favorite hobby? Please write your answer in the comments below.
We read as many as we can and give hearts.
If you liked this long lesson, please subscribe to Joseph's Easy English and hit the bell icon.
Our next video will be about talking about your job.
Be safe, be happy, and keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.